Includes 1 Rustic Family Handprint Frame, 4 packets of paint in assorted shades of gray. A fun DIY craft for your next family night that parents and kids are sure to enjoy. Create a beautiful piece of customized wall art to hang in your home. Help older siblings bond with a new baby by working together on this fun family craft. Add a favorite family photo to complete this unique work of art. Attached sawtooth hanger ensures that this fun family craft is ready to hang anywhere in your home. Dimensions: 9.5 x 17w x 0.5d, photo insert, 6h x 4w. Looking for a unique gift the whole family will enjoy? Milo Rustic Family Handprint Frame is a great baby shower gift or new parent gift that is also perfect for Mother's Day, Father's Day, or a child's birthday. In addition to a beautiful, rustic picture frame, you're giving the gift of quality time and a fun family bonding activity with this unique family craft. This lovely frame comes with an easy-to-use handprint kit complete with 4 packets of non-toxic paint in different shades of gray and cardboard matting ready for mommy, daddy, and their little one's handprints along with a favorite family photo. A perfect craft for the whole family that's sure to bring everyone closer together, whether it's new parents and baby or older siblings bonding with a new baby brother or sister. At the end of family night, they'll have the treasured memories of working together to create this fun DIY keepsake craft, along with a one-of-a-kind keepsake to hang in their home. The whole family, along with everyone who visits, will love looking at this adorable customized wall art, and as the little ones grow up, they'll love seeing just how tiny their hands once were. Dimensions: 9.5 h x 17w by 0.5d, photo insert, 6h x 4w. Top reviews from the United States. Great gift. Looks great for the price. I was happily surprised. I gave this to my daughter after a new baby arrived. She loved it.